I'm going to show you how to create a custom financial model in Poindexter in just about 1 minute, which is pretty cool because when I think of things that are cool, financial models are at the top of that list. Okay, so we'll start by forecasting where we're going to get customers from. And for the purposes of this demo, we will say a Facebook ad will run for 3 years, which I would not recommend, and we will get all of our customers from that. So we'll just say we get 1,000 leads per month, and we're going to convert about 50% because we are just really good at running Facebook ads. Next, all we have to do is include our revenue from product sales, let's say. So we'll say that we sell each one for $10, and 5% of customers come back every month because our product is just that good. Awesome. Revenue. Now we just include some costs, and since we're selling a product, there's probably going to be some materials, if I can type. And we're selling it for $10, so why not $5 in materials, and we're going to hold some in inventory. Click Save. Awesome. And based on these few inputs, we already have an automated financial analysis fully broken out with financial statements and everything that you would need for raising money from investors or lenders, or just trying to see if your plans are financially viable. And anybody can do this. It's super quick and super easy, and I'm excited about it. And if you're just even a fraction as nerdy as I am, I think you'll think this is pretty cool too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your experience using Poindexter.